क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसे है कि कैलकुलेट द pH ऑफ 0.02 मोलर HCl। आपको पता है कैसे देखो भाई, H पॉजिटिव प्लस Cl नेगेटिव। सिंस ये क्या है पैक्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, तो ये क्या होगा कंप्लीटली डिसोसिएट। क्या होगा ये कंप्लीटली डिसोसिएट। तो यहां से H पॉजिटिव क्या बनेगा 0.02 नॉर्मल। लेकिन आपको पता है कि नॉर्मेलिटी है ये, चाहिए मुझे क्या मोलैरिटी। तो नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू मोलैरिटी इनटू n फैक्टर। अब इस केस में आपके पास नॉर्मेलिटी 0.02, मोलैरिटी फाइंड HCl है सिर्फ एक ही सिंगल में, तो यहां पे क्या आ जाएगा 1। तो मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल्स टू 0.02 मोलर। So H positive ion comes out to be 0.02 molar. Now pH is equals to minus log 0.02. So minus log 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So minus log 2 minus log 10 to the power minus 2. It comes out to be minus 0.3 minus of minus 2 log 10। पता है कि log a की पावर b is equals to b log a। So from here minus 0, इसकी वैल्यू is 1 plus 2 comes out to be 1.7। pH is 1.7। Now for question number 2. Question number 2 is similar to that of question number 1. How? The difference is here is Na positive plus OH negative. Since it is monoacidic, so molarity is also equals to 0.05 molar. So OH negative, because it is a strong base, comes out to be 0.05 molar. So now here we will get POH, not pH. We will get POH minus log H positive H OH negative ion concentration. So minus log 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus log 5 minus log 10 to the power minus 2 minus 0.7 plus 2 comes out to be 1.3. What? POH. And the pH comes out to be 14 minus 1.3. It is 12.7. Next is HNO3. The case is also similar here, breaks into H positive plus NO3 negative. This concentration is minus 2 molar, so pH is equals to minus log 10 power minus 2, it comes up to be 2. So pH is 2. Next is 10 to the power minus 8 molar HCl. Now, here's the one important question. What 10 to the power minus 8 molar HCl? Now, if I find the pH minus log 10 to the power minus 8, the pH comes out to be 8. But HCl is an acid, so pH should be less than 7. But pH is equals to 8, which is not possible. So here the catch is that HCl plus water will form H3O positive ion plus Cl negative ion. Now, generally, whenever the concentration concentration of acid is 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 5, and this will be neutral, gives H positive as 10 to the power minus 7. Now difference here is 10 to the power 6, about 1 million, and all the above it comes out to be almost 100 or 1000. So difference is very big, so we generally neglect the value of water. But in this case, the HCl concentration is 10 to the power minus 8 and water is 10 to the power minus 7, and only difference is of 10, which is considerable difference. So overall H3O positive concentrations come out to be 10 to the power minus 8 plus 10 to the power minus 7. Taking 10 to the power minus 8 common, it becomes 1 plus 10. So 11 into 10 to the power minus 8 is the actual concentration of H3O positive ion in the liquid. And finding that pH, I will get pH is equals to minus log 11 into 10 to the power minus 8. So minus log 11 minus log 10 to the power minus 8, 1.04 plus 8. It comes out to be 6, 9 and 7. Comes out to be 6 point comes out to be 6.96. So the pH of 10 to the power minus 8 HCl is 6.96. Now, here the question is 10 to the power minus 12 normal CaOH whole twice. Now CaOH whole twice will break to form calcium 2 positive plus 2OH negative. Here the acidity is, or I can say the end factor is 2. So normality is equal to molarity into end factor. Normality is 10 to the power minus 12 m into 2. So m come out to be 1 by 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 molar. So if I see it is, let me see 0, 0. At equilibrium it will be 0. C, it will be 2C. So the OH negative concentration will be 2 times of the initial concentration and comes out to be what? 10 to the power minus 12. So now the POH will be minus log 10 to the power minus 12 and comes out to be 12, and the pH would be 14 minus 12, it is 2. So pH is 2 and POH is 10 to the power minus 12. And now the last question is 100 ml of 0.1 normal, like I have given one HCl acid and one acidic, and one is base NaOH. Its molarity is given as normality. Its normality is 0.1 normal. Its normality is 0.1 normal again. And its volume is 100 ml. Its volume is 300 ml. Now you can use normality as well as molarity, but I will suggest you to use the molarity again. Now since the acid is monobasic, so molarity is equals to normality, so molarity is equals to 0.1 molar. And here also monoacidic base, so molarity comes out to be again 0.1 molar. Now I am mixing this HCl with NaOH, so now the new molarity mixing will be M1 V1, let it be of HCl minus M2 V2 of NaOH divided by V1 plus V2. Here I will use a minus sign because the moles of HCl, let it be N equal to 10 moles, and moles of NaOH, let it be for example N equal to 5. So being acid and base of opposite character, they will neutralize each other. So 5 moles of NaOH will react with 5 moles, 10 moles of HCl. So resultant mole comes out to be 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So because of being opposite character, we have to use the minus sign. But if it is given as both acids or both base, we will use the sign of positive. Now 0.1 into 100 minus 0.1 into 300 by 300 plus 100. It comes out to be 10 plus 30 by 400 and 40 by 400 and comes out to be 1 by 10 or 10 to the power minus 1. Now we can see the moles of it is minus 20 upon 400 comes out to be minus 1 by 20. Now we can see the number of moles of NaOH are greater than the moles of HCl. Moles of NaOH are greater than moles of HCl. So in the end, the moles of NaOH are more. So 1 by 20 is actual the concentration of NaOH remained, or I can say that 1 by 20 is the concentration of OH negative ion. So from here I can find the POH is equals to minus log 20 to the power minus 1. So log 20, which is equals to log 2 10 to the power 10 comes out to be 0.3 plus 1 1.3. So pH comes out to be 1.3 and pH is equals to 12.3.